Hi everyone, my name is Kristi and welcome to day 586 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm going to be trying out this Sassy Chic foundation brush that I got at the Dollar Tree, and I'm excited to try this out because I've never tried a foundation brush like this. So I'm really excited to be trying out a new makeup technique, and this feels cool. It's very densely packed bristles. Like there are a lot of bristles here, but it feels like velvet. I really like the feel of this. But the thing is, like, it feels kind of hard. But we're gonna try it out. Since I got it at the Dollar Tree, it was only $1. I've tried out some other makeup application products from the brand Sassy Chic before. Like, I tried their makeup sponge and it was not very good, but I won't let that sway my thoughts on this product here. But so I already primed my skin. I put on my sunscreen and then I put on my Tarte Base Tape primer. So my skin is ready for foundation. So I'm going in with the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Hydrate Radiance Foundation, which I love this foundation. If you want to see my dedicated review on it, I will have that video linked down below. And I usually apply my foundation with a dampened beauty sponge, but we'll see how this goes. It seems to be applying really nicely, actually. But so I just pumped onto the back of my hand the standard amount of product that I usually use to do my full face. So we'll see if I still need the same amount. But honestly, this is actually applying beautifully. I'm still getting full coverage. It's looking super smooth on the skin. There's no brush strokes. Was something I was a little bit worried about, like would I be able to see the brush stroke streaks? And I'm seeing when I'm just brushing straight, I can kind of get those strokes, but then when I do the circular motion, it completely gets rid of any brush kind of paint strokes, you know what I mean? I actually kind of feel like it's like a brushing my teeth type of motion. But I'm like brushing my face instead of brushing my teeth. This is definitely taking longer to blend out and apply the foundation than when I go in with a beauty sponge. But that also is because I have so much practice applying it with a beauty sponge that it's like second nature. But oh my gosh, this did a fantastic job. Even just like getting into the little crevices of my nose, it's fine. It's getting the product in there. And everything looks so smooth and even, just like it does when I use my favorite technique of a makeup sponge. And it feels so comfortable on the skin. It's not too hard like I was a little bit worried about. It's not scratchy or uncomfortable in any way. And I really like what it did on my nose. I tend to have problems blending makeup on my nose and getting it to look smooth and actually cover my large pores, but it looks really good. Great coverage on my nose. So this was an absolute success in my opinion. I was able to get my full face with the same amount of product, so this didn't absorb any extra product or anything like that. And I love the finished result. So I learned two things from this video: that this is a great product, but that I also really like the technique of applying my foundation with a paddle brush like this. And this was only $1, so it's saving money on those beauty tools. So I am really happy to have this in my collection. I'm definitely going to continue using it. I'm really excited about this. It's so funny how just a dollar store makeup brush can make me this excited, but it really does. And it just makes me want to try out even more of the dollar store makeup tools, because I had kind of given up hope that they would be any good after the ones that I had tried in the past, but this just makes me that much more excited to go back to the Dollar Tree and pick up any makeup tools that I haven't tried yet. But I would love to know in the comments down below if you have any favorite makeup tools that you found at the Dollar Tree, because then I will definitely try and get those and try those out in future videos. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.